The pharma and biotech space has been a focus for investors, with Eli Lilly having a big year. And for one, it hasn't been the same for Biogen. So how should you position from here, and what other names should be on your radar? Evan Siegerman is a biotech analyst at BMO. He joins us here with some answers. Evan, good to see you.
Good to see you. Thanks for having me.
Let's begin with Lilly. Yes. It's rallying again today. Obviously, it's off its highs. The valuation is moderated. But what's the story, and has it changed at all?
So the story, a lot last week, we had Novo CagriSema data disappointing most. So basically, that was supposed to be Novo's answer to Zepbound. So that's kind of not really part of the picture now. My focus turns to 4Q, where expectations are still pretty high. So I think for the full year, I think consensus or guidance is really important. Next year, consensus is about $28 billion for all of Lilly's Zepbound and Mounjaro. I'm about 26. Mm-hmm. That's going to set the tone. So we're really focused on that, and I think that that will really be important.
That adverse surprise for Novo, though, I mean, is there any read-through at all, either pro or con for Lilly or for the entire area? I just wonder how fast these kind of new challengers might pop up.
What it really showed me is that Lilly's Zepbound is one of the best products. It really threads the needle between efficacy and tolerability. So toppling that will be challenging. I mean, Novo had these lofty expectations, and they really failed to meet them.
Talk quickly about Biogen. Obviously falls into the kind of cheap, but maybe for a reason bucket.
Yeah, it's a bit of a disappointment. We were very excited about lecanemab, Leqembi, when it was approved in early 2023. But it really has done nothing, unfortunately. This was supposed to revolutionize Alzheimer's. It wasn't a cure, but it was definitely a way to help these patients. And it seems like they're kind of stuck in a rut. In my view, it actually goes back underinvesting in the pipeline. I think for a long time, they prioritized share buybacks over buying assets, and we're really seeing that with a thin pipeline. So investors don't have a line of sight into what drives growth into the end of the day.
Does that mean M&A has to rise to the front?
Yes, it does, but their balance sheet's a little strained, so they can't go out and buy a $30 billion company. It's probably going to be in the $10 to $15 billion range, and that would still be a stretch.
Vertex was a big disappointment last week on a trial and a pain treatment. What's your take on it?
We like Vertex. We actually thought that was a buying opportunity, and late last Friday, they got an approval for their next-generation CF product. So where to from here with Vertex? In January, we have approval of their acute medication for pain, likely going to get approved. I think given the whole opioid crisis, that launch should be great. And then it's off to the races more with CF. They're going to get incremental patients with this new drug, better margin profile, and better pricing.
So Evan, then let's talk about sentiment in the investor community, because, I mean, we've gone from this place where Lilly and Novo were a two-horse race. There was speculation of who might be the next takeout, a Viking or some of those. Mm-hmm. Lilly does seem to have, they are the GOAT, as you say.
Yes.
But where are investors now in this trade? Because Lilly is sometimes just a function of valuation. And as we look across broader healthcare, but pharma specifically, there's certainly been an argument that some of the legacy, whether it's a Bristol or a Pfizer or J&J, there are players that might be more attractive as we look forward, and just where the catalyst might be for the sector.
A few things there. I think the obesity trade still works in 2025, but Lilly and Novo have to execute perfectly. I think any faltering in 4Q is going to be a real problem. When it comes to the legacy names, Pfizer, Bristol, I think Pfizer had a good guide. That kind of got overshadowed. The guide was healthy, and it shows that they're starting to right the ship a bit. I know Starboard kind of came in to shake things up or tried to, but it really takes a long time to right the ship. I think Bristol's interesting. I'm not at an outperform yet, but I'm watching the launch of Cobenfy, their new schizophrenia drug. Mm-hmm. So I think there are some value names in pharma. I'm still sticking with Lilly, but it's not my top pick for 2025, and that was a change in our outlook.